Hi you guys, welcome back to Adventures with Jay. I know, long time no see. Hey stranger, I just want to say that I am glad to be back. I am glad to be back recording with you guys. I miss YouTube so much, and your girl is back. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I missed a couple of things with you guys, but your girl just been busy, and I also took a little break to catch up on rest and spend time with my family. But let's get into this video. Before I get into this video, I just want to add that you can get your Crocs from your local Croc store, and the Jibbitz that I will be using today comes from jsivory.com. So www.jsivory.com is where you can get your luxury Jibbitz from. So I will put the link in the description for you guys to get that link. And if you don't want to make Crocs necessarily for your business, you would like a pair for yourself, I can make you a pair of Crocs as well, and that will be available on the website as well. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys, and we're gonna get into it. And then I am gonna go on live because today is Tuesday for Business Talk Tuesday. So I am going to join live and talk to the girls on the team. So because I'm extra, I'm going to incorporate red and gold in there too. So that's that. I'm going to put that over here. So these Jibbitz will be available on the site this week. So please remember that restock will be this weekend. It will be Friday or Saturday. Which day you guys think restock should be? Friday or Saturday? So I'm just styling them. Isn't this cute? So when you guys removing and playing with the Jibbitz, I like to go under the croc and push it up. So you got to be extremely careful because these can come, the back piece can come off. So, because I know some of y'all be rough as hell and don't realize stuff can get, messed up if you be too rough, regardless how the quality is. Stuff still can get messed up. Okay, that looks much better this way. That looks much better. Okay, y'all. We on and popping. It's coming together now. Should I add this? Be extra. How I I added to be extra. All right. There we go. Ooh. Now I'm gonna add the pearls. Thanks, y'all. See, y'all thought it was just sticking something on here and I just go out my business. No, this stuff is a process, and I don't like to just slop stuff on there. Like, I like it to make sense. I like it to lay cute, you know, like, so you getting your money's worth. Because I'm not just throwing some shit on here. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people just be throwing shit together and it don't even make sense. But I don't like to do that. I don't like to do that. So, and then like I said, some Jibbitz be like, it looks small, but how the back piece placement is, it's gonna like mess up how you want to like place stuff. Like, it won't pair with another Jibbit correctly. I'm trying to make sense of what the hell I'm trying to say. I use too much glue. I'm fucking up already. And then I use a wax pen, but and then I use these little studs to fill in like my little accent pieces. So I know this gonna be messed up. You can't tell right now, but I know this gonna be messed up once it's dry. So I'm finna camouflage it because I messed up. Okay, you guys, we are halfway done. I just need to add a couple of more things and this bad boy is finished. And then I gotta add the rhinestones. Then I gotta add the trim, and this bad boy will be done. So I'll be back once I'm done and show you guys the final look. And again, don't forget that you can get the Jibbitz from www.jsiree.com. I also will have rhinestones available for you guys to rhinestone, bling out your Crocs, your phone cases, your cups, your nails, whatever you like to do. And then everything else I got from my local craft stores. So I shop around everywhere because each craft store got different things. Okay, bye. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey family, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I thank you for tuning in. Please comment if you would like for me to do more videos styling Crocs. Bye.